Welcome back to the Auto Horizon. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all things automotive, reviews, comparisons, and industry updates. Today, we're diving deep into a van that's built its name on reliability, practicality, and rock-solid performance. Yep, we're talking about the 2025 Toyota Hiace. Let's start with the design. Sure, it's a van, so you can expect function over form. But Toyota's designers have managed to add a bit more character this time around. The bold front grille gives it a modern stance, flanked by slimmer, more angular LED headlights. The front end is more aerodynamic than previous models, and you'll notice smoother body lines that help with airflow and fuel efficiency. The side panels are flush and robust, built for branding space if you're using this van commercially. Step inside, and you'll find that Toyota hasn't skimped on comfort, even in a utility-focused vehicle. The cabin feels more SUV-like than van-like. High-quality materials, intuitive layout, and solid ergonomics make long drives more pleasant. The 8-inch touchscreen is your command center, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and built-in navigation in higher trims. The physical buttons are tactile and easy to reach, perfect when you're on the go. For the passenger variants, the Hiace can seat up to 17 people, depending on the market and configuration. Seating is surprisingly comfortable with generous legroom and headroom. And yes, rear air conditioning is available too. Under the hood, the 2025 Hiace comes with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, putting out around 174 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. While that might not sound like much on paper, it's tuned for torque and efficiency, ideal for load carrying and long hauls. You can choose between a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic, both delivering smooth and responsive shifts. The suspension setup, McPherson struts up front and leaf springs at the rear, offers a surprisingly composed ride, even when the van is fully loaded. So, is the 2025 Toyota Hiace worth your money? If you're after a van that's dependable, safe, efficient, and versatile, absolutely. Whether you're a business owner, a fleet manager, or someone planning a van conversion adventure, the Hiace gives you a platform you can truly rely on. Alright folks, that's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Toyota Hiace. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments, would you consider the Hiace as your next work or travel vehicle? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.